didn't support me very much. They made all kinds of fun of me coming out here in the country like this. And one of them said the other day, in one of these funny little articles, next thing you know, Bill Clinton will be taking Walmart greeters to the vote. Now, that fellow thought he was putting me down. I thought he was giving me a darn good idea. And I actually said this 2 nights ago in Indiana, there's one on the front row, she said, I won, but you don't have to thank me, I already voted for her. Then I got another article saying, well, it's too bad old Bill Clinton's out there in the country somewhere in all these little towns, but you know him, he'll go anywhere and talk to people. As if this is a second-rate venue. Let me tell you something, folks. I have spoken in the British Parliament. I spoke to 1 million people in Africa once. I have spoken all over the world. But I got to do that because people like you gave me a chance to be president. They said, oh, she's finished in New Hampshire. She gained 16 points in 2 days tonight because of towns like this and people like this. They said, California is a media paradise. All the glitterati and from the other fellow, she can't win, but she won by almost 10 points because of people like you. And in Massachusetts, they said, oh, the girl's going down, both the senators and the governor against her, but the people who needed a president before her, she won by